about the daily habits that quietly drain your wallet. Use whatever method works best for you, an app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. The tool doesn't matter as much as your consistency. Make it a daily ritual like brushing your teeth. The more automatic it becomes, the more powerful the results. As you track, remember, don't judge yourself. This isn't about feeling guilty or ashamed. You're simply collecting data, like a scientist observing an experiment. The goal is to see the truth, not to punish yourself. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. They think they do, but when they finally see the numbers, it's eye-opening. That's why so many stay stuck in the same financial patterns year after year. You'll probably be shocked by what you discover. Forgotten subscriptions, sneaky daily habits, and spending patterns you never noticed before. Maybe it's that streaming service you haven't used in months, or the daily snacks that add up to thousands a year. But remember, this process isn't about restriction or deprivation. It's about building awareness. When you know where your money is going, you can make choices that actually serve you. Think of your income as a bucket. Right now, it's probably full of invisible leaks, small, unnoticed expenses that drain your resources. Ruthless tracking exposes every single hole, so you can finally patch them up. At the end of 30 days, take all your tracked expenses and sort them into categories: housing, food, subscriptions, entertainment, debt, transportation, and anything else that fits your life. This step is crucial for seeing the bigger picture. When you see the totals in black and white, it's often a wake-up call. The numbers don't lie. You might realize you're spending far more on takeout or ride shares than you ever imagined. This moment of clarity is powerful. It's the turning point where confusion turns into understanding, and understanding turns into action. Suddenly, you're not lost in a fog of financial confusion. You have clarity. You know exactly what's happening with your money, and that knowledge is empowering. You're no longer a victim of your circumstances. You're in control. You have the power to make changes, big or small, that will shape your financial future. For example, if you discover you're spending $250 a month on coffee, ask yourself, does this bring you enough joy to justify the cost? Or would you rather invest that money in something bigger, like your future? The goal isn't to cut out everything you love. It's about making conscious, intentional choices. Spend on what matters to you, and cut back on what doesn't. Align your spending with your values, not your impulses. When your money supports your goals and dreams, every rupee or dollar feels more meaningful. So here's your homework. Pick a tracking tool right now, and commit to 30 days of no excuses tracking. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, even if it's messy. Don't analyze or judge, just track. Treat it like a science experiment. The more honest you are, the more you'll learn. At the end of the month, categorize every expense. Look for patterns, surprises, and opportunities to improve. This single act, ruthless tracking, separates amateurs from pros. It's what the financially successful do, and it's the first, non-negotiable step to building wealth on any salary. No matter how much you earn, this habit will change your relationship with money forever. Start today. Log your very first expense. It might feel small, but it's the first step toward a future of financial confidence and freedom. Your future self will thank you for taking this step. The journey to financial mastery starts with ruthless tracking, one expense at a time. Step 2. The automatic margin. Now that you know where your money goes, it's time to pay yourself first, automatically. The day you get paid, set up an automatic transfer to a separate savings or investment account. Don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month. There never is. Start with 5 to 10% of your paycheck, or whatever feels doable, and automate it. This isn't optional. It's your wealth building engine. Make the savings account hard to access. No debit card, maybe even a different bank. The goal: create friction so you don't dip into it. Most people save what's left after spending. You'll spend what's left after saving. This simple shift is life-changing. Every month, your net worth grows automatically. You'll see the balance rise, and it becomes addictive. As your confidence grows, increase the percentage. This isn't about deprivation. It's about prioritizing your future over mindless consumption. One big decision today. Setting up that transfer pays off for years. Action step. Open a high-yield savings account. Set up an automatic transfer for payday, and start with a percentage that stretches you. This is how you build wealth on any salary. Step 3. Slay silent hills. This is where you take back control and stop letting your hard-earned money slip away unnoticed. It's time to become a detective in your own financial life. Go back to your spending data and hunt for every expense that doesn't bring real value. Look for those sneaky charges that have crept in over time, things you barely notice but that add up month after month. Forgotten subscriptions, unused memberships, daily lattes, delivery fees. These are the silent killers draining powerful than a dollar earned. It's money you keep and invest. Over time, these small changes compound into real wealth. Your task: audit every category, question every expense, and make a list to cut, cancel, or renegotiate. Be methodical and honest with yourself. The money you free up accelerates your savings rate without sacrificing what matters. You'll see your progress faster and feel empowered by your choices. This is how you plug the leaks and get ahead. Take action now and watch your financial future transform, one smart decision at a time. Step 4. Invest. Don't just save. Saving money is a fantastic habit, but it's only the beginning of your financial journey. If you want your money to truly work for you, you need to go beyond just putting cash aside. Every day, inflation quietly erodes the value of your savings. That means the money you stash under your mattress or even in a regular savings account loses purchasing power over time. What you can buy with $1 today might cost more next year. That's why your emergency fund should be kept safe in a high-yield savings account, so it's accessible and earns a bit more interest. But if you want to build real, lasting wealth, you need to invest for the long term. Many people feel overwhelmed or intimidated by investing. Maybe you're worried about losing money, or you think you need to be an expert to get started. But don't let fear or complexity hold you back. The truth is, investing can be simple. For most people, the best approach is to choose low-cost, broad market index funds or ETFs. These funds let you own a piece of hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. Think of an index fund as a giant basket filled with companies, like the S&P 500, which tracks the largest U.S. companies. Instead of trying to pick the next big winner, you're investing in the overall market's growth. This way, you're betting on the long-term progress of the economy as a whole, not just a single stock. Historically, the market has grown over time, despite short-term ups and downs. One thing to watch out for: fees. Even small fees can eat into your returns over decades. Always choose funds with low expense ratios, so more of your money stays invested and working for you. To get started, open a brokerage account with a reputable provider like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. These platforms make it easy to buy index funds and manage your investments. Set up automatic monthly transfers from your savings account into your chosen index fund. Automation takes the guesswork out and helps you stay consistent, even when life gets busy. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. By investing the same amount every month, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, smoothing out the impact of market volatility. Don't get distracted by dramatic headlines or try to predict the perfect time to invest. Consistency is far more important than timing the market. Over the years, your investments will benefit from the power of compounding, where your returns start earning their own returns and your wealth grows faster and faster. The most important thing is to stay invested for the long term. Ignore the short-term noise and market swings. Let your money grow undisturbed. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small amounts invested regularly can snowball into significant wealth over time. Here's your action step. First, make sure your emergency fund is in place. Then, open a brokerage account, pick a simple index fund, and set up automatic investments. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to building real wealth. Remember, investing is how you turn your savings into lasting financial security and freedom. Start today and let your money work for you. Step 5. Increase your value. Your system is running. Now it's time to pour more fuel on the fire. The fastest way to build wealth is to widen the gap between what you earn and what you spend. We've cut expenses. Now let's raise your income. The best way? Increase your value in the marketplace. Learn high-demand skills: project management, coding, digital marketing, sales, data analysis. Use your spare time to learn, not just consume. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy make it affordable. Pick a skill with earning potential, dedicate a few hours a week, and build a portfolio. This can lead to raises, promotions, or higher-paying jobs. Or start a side hustle: web design, freelance writing, coding, social media management. Turn free time into production time. Soft skills matter too: communication, negotiation, leadership. Learn to negotiate your salary. Even a small raise compounds over your career. Action step: audit your strengths. Pick a skill to learn and schedule weekly time to work on it. The more you earn, the more you can invest, and the faster you reach financial freedom.